see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
I'm not gonna show them, Baba, because I have it all here, all the shades. So this is mine. So we have, what's this one, Baba?
Let me see. Beach. This is beach.
Ano siya? Lip tint, cheek, and pwede rin siya dito. Ata. Wow.
Like eyeshadow.
Like eyeshadow.
Yeah, we have to show them as well. Beach.
Let me try this.
This
I wanna
one?
have
This one's daffodil.
that.
Daffodil. Daffodil.
Yeah. Daffodil. Daffodil. Okay. And this one is, what's this? Island Rose. This, what you call this one? This is the creamy all over paint. Ang kanyang, is it the same?
Yeah. Creamy all over paint. It's the
Yeah.
same.
And this one is
This is Island Rose. That's
Etta.
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 Etta. So this is naman is, what's that, Baba? Kasi iba siya dito sa packaging, di ba?
Cosmetics.
I know cosmetics, but this is the, this one
Wait,
is
Mom,
creamy
wait.
all, what?
Doesn't say.
Doesn't say?
There's like
Yeah. Not that one. I'm looking if it's matte or what. This one.
mini airy velvet tint
Tint?
in Etta. Yeah, tint.
Tint, okay. Basta tint din siya, guys. This one is same ng tatlo. The shade is
Cocoa Crush.
Cocoa Crush.
Wait, what's? It's just creamy.
Yeah, the same.
One, if it says BLK.
So this one is, eto ba yung ano? Iba to. Kasi mayroong collaboration
Punch.
sa Bretman
This
sa
is
sa BLK. Hindi ko alam kung eto to. Eto gloss gel tint.
And
Ayan.
it's punch.
Punch yung ano niya, shade.
I got the next one.
Ilabas natin. Ayan. Ganyan siya.
Mama, do my hair hand here.
Ayun. Kita niyo?
I think that's a matte, is it?
No, it's fit. So, this is, ito yata yung kay Brett. Wow, close. Yung collaboration ng BLK. Hindi. I'm not sure. Nakalimutan ko. Sa dami kasi nito. Glossy Serum
Wait.
Stick. Ayan. Glossy Serum Stick.
This is Lush.
Lush ang kanyang shade. Ayan. Ay. Parang ito yung ano, pag very matte ang gamit yung lipstick and gusto nyo mag glossy, ito siya. Ang ganda rin. Ano na ba? Ako na ba?
I already got it. This is Fig, and it's the Gloss Gel Tint.
Gloss. Okay. Fig.
I opened it from the bottom because it's way easier. So
Alright.
easy. Heavy.
What's
This
this?
is Cherry Crush.
I'm pretty sure this is ano na, kay Brett. Ito yata. Ito. Yes, ito. Naalala ko na. Ito yung kanyang ano, print. Ito yung ano ni Bretman. Bretman Rock ba yun? Na collaboration niya sa BLK. Ayan. Pareho lang. Pero, ito kasi daw kay Ann. Ito kay Bretman, may pa-box. Yung kay Ann, walang pa-box. So, nasa plastic lang siya. So, ganyan yung packaging. Ito may packaging. Social. Pero pareho lang yung ano, yung sa loob. Diba? Ang pagkakaiba lang, yung kay Bretman, mayroong box. So, what's this one?
That's Cherry Crush.
Cherry Crush naman ang kanyang ano, shade.
Can I show them this one?
Mhm.
This is Tropical New, and it's creamy all over the paint.
Okay, yan. Siya na.
This
So, lahat na to collaboration ni Bretman sa BLK. Not this one. The other one.
Cosmos.
Is this Cosmos as well?
No, this one's summertime.
Summertime.
And this one's berry pop and creamy all over the page. And the berry pop, I think it's
Wow.
for your lips and cheek.
Okay. Most of them is lip tint and cheek. Ayan siya.
They,
So, hindi ito yung collaboration ni, hindi na to. Ito
this
lang
looks
yung,
so good on your lips.
wow.
Because I saw a video, remember?
Yeah. Kasi
It's on your
nagtingin.
cheeks as well. I think it's a tint.
So, this one is, what's this one, Holly? Summertime.
Summertime.
So, hindi to collaboration ni Brett.
It's face. Wait, what? I think it means cheeks.
So, etong tatlo lang pala. Pero madami akong kinuha niyan.
It says face, eyes, and lips.
So, ito yung mga kinuha natin. Ayan. Ito yung mga ipamimigay natin. Kasi gusto rin nila mga lipstick. Ayan. Diba, sa kung hindi ko palabas. So, ayan, pakita natin. Ang dami niyan. Ang dami kong kinuhang, eto yung, ayan o, ang dami, eto lahat to kay Bretman.
Mama.
Pero para lang yung shades. Kasi nagustuhan ko siya, kasi maganda rin yung shade niya. This is all, two shades to. Ano to? What's the,
This one,
yeah,
tropical nude, and this one is berry pop.
Berry Pop. Ang ganda ni Berry Pop. Is it Berry Pop?
Yeah, where'd you put the berry pop?
Here.
No, like for the box.
No, this is mine.
No, the berry pop. Where'd you put the lipstick?
I don't know, Baba. There's no lipstick?
No, because I took it out. Did you put it somewhere?
No, I don't know.
Wait, you should put the
And this one, so lahat kay Bretman yung kinuhang ko pala. Oh,
berry
ayan.
pop.
Ayan. Kasi ang ganda ng shade niya. May gusto akong isa yung summer, yung Palm Spring, wala, sold out. Yun daw yung isa rin sa best seller nila. All good na?
Got Lush, Punch, tropical nude, and berry pop.
Tapos ilalagay natin yan doon sa ano. Di ba bumili ako yung parang ampa ba yung may, yung good luck na linalagyan ng pera. So maglalagay tayong isang lipstick tapos konting cash.
And we
Konting
got
cash.
Etta and Beach.
Yeah. So yan yung ating ipapamigay sa Bicol. Is this mine? You sure?
Yeah. I put that in the box.
Okay. So ito yung madami akong kinuha. Collaboration ni Brett.
Wait, look at the, what did you want? Do you want
So
to
I don't
try?
think so I need a box, Baba.
Is this the one you wanted to try?
Yeah.
The beach?
But you know this one, ito, gusto ko itong i-try.
Maybe put that side on one. Or you can try
Ang
it
dami.
on.
Okay lang.
That's like your normal lipstick. It's like your normal lipstick.
Is it nice?
Wait, I feel like
Ah,
you can
my-
smell it.
Yeah.
It's scented.
Yeah, it smells good.
Oh, mom using it already.
I'm gonna use the mirror.
So,
Ang ganda ng mirror yan, laki ah. Tapos konti dito.
the ones you want to try, I can put it in the box. This one, the Lush. You want to try it?
No, this one, just one, Baba.
Okay.
Yun na, nagkakulay na tayo. Ang ganda siya, kaya madami akong kinuha nito. Berry Pop, ayan. Okay, next is Sunny Space. Ganda rin yung Sunny Space.
There's like yellow ones.
So, sa Sunny Space,
that
meron silang binigay sa akin na free. Yes, Baba. Kasi meron tayong na-reach na quota nila. Quota na pwede nilang bigyan ng gift. So, this is from Sunny Space. May Happy Skin din kasi eh. So, halo-halo na to. Sunny Space.
What do you want?
Is this from Sunny Space? Yes. Where's the other one for Happy Skin?
Happy skin.
I only have 3 from Happy Skin. Okay, Sunny Space muna. From Sunny's Face, meron tayong contour.
Mama, do you want
Nose,
me to put this?
just put it there, Baba. Nose contour, meron akong, binuksan ko na yung isa. Pareho lang naman sila.
Is it like bronzer?
It's a contour, Baba. It's
Like
not
for
brown.
your nose.
For my nose. Ito
Make
binuks...
it look longer?
Yeah, look longer.
How does it work? How does it do that?
Ayan. Ito, inano ko na ito. Tinry ko kahapon na ata. So, ito cream naman. Yung kanina powder, yung ito kay Get Ready With Me powder. Para meron tayong choices.
Like that is just like
So,
that.
ayan. 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 So, siguro marami to. Matitipid natin to. Aray ko. And magnetic siya. Ha? Oo, magnet ba? Ano lang natin?
How does it make your nose longer?
Is it? Do you think?
I think it did. How though?
It's a contour. You contour your nose, you contour your cheekbone here, your
And
jawline, and here to make more defined.
To make your chin longer.
Mm. Is it alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is this ano bang ano dito ate?
The
Multi-stick.
multi-stick.
Yeah. What's the shade?
What does it say?
Kasi siya kayo hindi kami makeup ano eh.
Wait,
Makeup.
is that another one? Can you see?
Here.
Palisander.
Palisander.
Yeah, I think that's it.
So, pareho lang naman sila. So, yung isa dito akin.
Like the bottom here, Mom.
Then, this one is the blush on. Ang ganda ng ano.
She got two
Different shades. So, what's the shade for this one?
Wait, this shade is blush on. Oh,
Here,
it's a
here,
long
here.
lasting.
Sugar plum?
This is Girl Crush. That's
Sugar
Sugar
plum.
plum.
Okay, this is the sugar plum.
and then this is the Girl Crush.
Nagustuhan ko dito is yung packaging niya, guys. Is this for, yeah,
This is
Sunny's
so
face. Ang ganda ng
They come in a
packaging.
cute little bottle.
Yeah. So, this is mine. Kasi wala pa akong ganito. So, and, di ba ang dami? Isa lang ng lips natin. Pero ang dami nating lip tint. Ayan. This is Crush. Ano?
Huh?
What's that?
It's CHERUB. Cherub.
Cherub.
Cherub.
Cherub.
Kind of
Si
sounds like a
Cherub.
chair and then you rub.
And this one is cheek lang to. Hindi siya pwede sa lip
No
ata.
lips.
No lips. Blush
It's just
on.
blush on.
Blush on. And pwede mo rin ilagay sa ano.
These are all blush on.
Sige, lagay tayo sa ano.
You want to try it on my hands?
No. I wanna try here. Kasi pwede naman siya dito yata.
Oh, so that there?
Kasi meron na tayo eh.
You never
Ayan.
wear eyeshadow.
No, never. Yeah. But this one I think I can put because it's simple.
You see? Why does it look like you have a red eye?
That's my birthmark. Sige. Try natin dito. Ipulungan
I
natin.
don't really think that suits you.
Wow. This one?
No, not the eye shadow.
No, you're not used to it. That I have a shadow. Ayaw niyo yung eyeshadow, guys. But I like this.
I like the color for your cheeks, though. It's kind of pink.
Mm.
Wait, that looks like your
So this
The
is
ones
only
you know.
blush on, guys. Not for your lips. Nakalagay naman dito.
And your
Blush on.
eyes.
Para siya yung Sunny's face. It looks like mine.
Yeah, it looks like
The,
yours.
the creamy na lagi kong...
It's like the powder one that
No,
you
not powder. It's cream. It's
Oh.
cream.
the one at home.
Yeah.
Oh.
So now, I don't know. Can you just put it in the box?
I,
Which one is which?
I can say I'm a bit.
So this one is the free one from Sunny's Face. Ano siya? Panlinis sa brushes. So hindi ko na raw babasahin yung brush. I-spray ko lang ito, tapos ilaan mo siya. May paper towel ka lang.
Is it like a tan?
No, this is not a tan, Baba. Akala niya pang tan.
It looks
Yung
like
fake tan. No, it's not. Okay, where's my other stuff? I think this is the last.
What about that bag down there? That one.
Yeah, that one too. This is from Happy Skin.
Happy, happy,
So, yung free na nakuha natin sa Happy Skin is just this, the pouch. Better na meron kaysa wala. So, yan. Happy Skin.
Do you need the box one?
Huh?
Do you need the boxes?
For now, yes. I do. Okay, this is Cloud. What's this, Baba? Happy Skin Cloud
Cloud Flush.
Flush. So, this is, ano ba to? So, this is Red Eye. Lip and cheek din ata to.
Lip and cheek.
I think. Can you check if it's for your lip and cheek? Ayan siya, guys. The shade is, what's the shade, ate?
Red eye.
Red Eye. Yes,
Yeah.
Red Eye. Red Eye. Ayan. Parang similar dun sa Happy Skin ang packaging. Iba lang yung bato. Pero parang hawig, di ba? O, parang pareho lang. Hindi. Mas magandang packaging na to.
That melts into your skin. That's what it says.
Yeah, but is it for what? Lip tint? This one, ang very bad kayo guys, mag-review or mag-haul ng mga makeup. Hindi naman to ating linya eh. Vlogger tayo, hindi tayo beauty vlogger. So this one
It
is,
doesn't say
it doesn't,
Yeah,
here, serum blush. But multi-use daw. So pwede siyang serum blush, pwede siyang, pwede rin siguro to sa hindi ko alam kung pwede siya sa i-tiktok ko na lang. Pwede rin, nakalimutan ko na kasi kung pwede rin siya sa blush. Blush.
I think it's just only blush. No,
Blush or an eyeshadow. So this is
red eye. Oh no.
Layover. Okay, yan. And what's the other one? What's the shade?
Final call.
Final call. Oh, ito lang.
Final call, you guys.
Final call. So this is the final call, guys.
Yeah, it's the
ganda.
final one.
Yes, it
It's
is.
the final call.
Oh, okay. Ang haba na ng aming
Why
haul.
isn't it? It looks like it was blurry.
I know. So, and ito yung binili natin sa sa
I forgot to put
National Bookstore, yung
where you put the money.
yeah. Ayan.
Hey guys, you know what I'm gonna do one
Bumili ako
today?
ng extra just in case.
Mom, you know what I'm gonna do?
Ayan, yung nabili natin na ampaw. Okay, put it there na
It's
ba?
Christmas time.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, tinuruan siya ni tita niya. Pag dating daw sa Bicol, lahat ng titas, titos doon, sabihan
I
niya,
put that in and just
say,
open
Merry
it.
Christmas. Tapos tinanong niya, para saan to? So, tita and tita will give you money.
I put it in there.
Merry Christmas. Okay. Eto, hindi ko pa sa inyo napakita yung ating nabili. Eto yung Gentle Monster na binili natin. Hindi ko pa na-unbox sa inyo. Ngayon i-unbox natin. Okay. Hindi pa natin magaan kasi laging umuulan. So, yan yung box.
Is it where what your?
Yan.
Why is it so big of a box?
Yeah. Tapos, iba na rin yung packaging nila. Ito yung mga,
To wipe it.
yan. There's the cloth and then yung card na legit na Gentle Monster ang binili mo. Yan. Then, this is the packaging or the case. Iba na yung case niya. Last time, yung una kong Gentle Monster, white ang kanyang case. Tapos yung pangalawa ko, black naman. Tapos, iba lang yung shape. Tapos, ito naman black na magnetic. Ayan siya. Then, dun, 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 dun. So, this is, what do you call this again?
Dance.
Dance? Yeah? Oh, buti mo siya naalala niya.
Justine.
Just Kels, basta yun na yan.
It's like my dance teacher from when I danced.
Okay. Ayan siya. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. It will say, yeah, here. Dance. D-U-N-S. It says here.
That says dance.
Yeah, dance.
Dance is spelled D-A.
Yeah, but it's different this one, Baba. It's not your dancing. Yun na po. Tapos na. Ayan siya, guys.
Put them on.
Ayan. Malaki lang yung ano niya dito, logo. Maganda sana kung medyo
It's so
maliit.
blurry, the camera.
May padat din siya. So, this is gold. Yung sa akin, ano ba yun? No, not silver.
White?
No. Yung dito nila, before, yung nabili ko is
Silver?
not silver. Rose gold. Ngayon, gold. Suot natin siya. Pinaigpitan ko yung to.
You see? Would you look at me like that?
Ay, thank you. So, ayan. Pinaigpitan ko siya. Kasi, nung kumuha sila ng bagong stock, medyo malaki sa akin. So, ito, medyo maigpit na. So, yan guys, yung ating haul for today. Guys, gabi na pala. Gather baba, oh. Dito pala kayo sa SM Block. Ang daming SM, di ba? Wait for your turn. Pa-picture pa si ate eh. What's in here? Oh, that's it.
Mama, look above me.
The shooting star comes higher and yet the star leads us to the Christmas hall. There stands the great tree.
Connected to the other one. Pumasok kayo sa Levi's. Tingin tayo ng pants. Ito for girls. Ay, magandang tela. Guys, dito na naman kami. May connected pala. Ang laki nitong mall. Connected siya dito sa SM North, di ba? Tumawid lang kami. And gusto niya bumili ng kuha daw siya ulit ng kanyang blush on. I think it's over there, babe.
Why they swapped it? Ah,
You wanna? Yeah, which one?
that's the one I already got.
Which one you have? So which one you gonna get this time?
I don't know.
We don't know. We're back. Ito. Maybe that one, Baba. May highlighter kayo na di ganito rin?
Ay, wala mo. Ganito ito.
Ah, ganyan lang.
So, getting ready on spice.
Yeah, dito tayo sa Sunny's Face. Ayan, nag-swatch ako ng kanilang mga lip liner. Out of stock si Malt. Maganda raw to, bestseller. So, kunin natin si Rodeo, Spicy, and Anise. Okay. And highlighter din. Okay. Okay na. Regalo ko na sa imo. Dito naman tayo sa Get Ready With Me. Nag-swatch ako ng mga lip liner.
I want this. No, it's
That's so
actually
big.
so pretty. I'll show you guys.
What's that one?
I don't know.
Can you read? What's that for? Don't put on your lips, ha?
Lip mask. Harley Nationally Lip Balm.
Ah, lip balm. But that's not for kids. That's for now. Thank you. Ayan yung nabili natin sa Sunny's Face.
See how shimmery that is?
Yeah. It's gone. It's no more. Out of stock. Kami sa, hindi ko, anong shop ini ma? But, ayan. Bili kami ng
This
mga
one's gone. That one's yours.
gamit niya. Kasi maraming choices o mga brushes,
Hey, Mom,
brushes
I got
and
this.
pang sleek. Sukurai. Oh, you like this?
So what about this one, Mom?
You want the purple?
Or they got pink.
Ay, ang cute naman ito. Oh. Look, this one. Wait, huh?
We're getting that.
Ang cute naman ito. Oh. Oh. One, ano na, one set na.
Mom, you
Huh?
want the
Hold
pink
this one.
or purple one?
I don't care, Baba. Whatever you want.
I think we should get the pink one. No, we should
Yeah.
get the purple one.
Yeah, ito. Purple? I'll get this one. Mag-slick-slick nga eh.
Yeah, I need sleek back brushes, Mom.
Iya po. Like it? Pag nakita ko pang buhok mong magulo, ewan ko na lang sa dami mong brushes.
Hey guys, you need a, hey guys, you need an egg? There's your egg.
Yeah. You pull. Because of your nails. The other one. Okay. So, ito yung nakuha natin dun sa SM department. Punta kami ng SM Hypermarket. Ayaw niyo yan? Order ka na? Okay. That one?
This one.
Okay. Oh no, I think that's alright now, Baba.
Oh,
Meron silang coals imported from Australia. Oh. Tingnan. Yeah. Push mo na, ma. Dito na.
they got sponges. That's it.
I don't know. Find it. Hinanap niya yung sweet corn. Sweet corn. No, wala naman dito. Go. Here. See any sweet corn? Wala. Yeah, they have cracklings. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. One for you, one for me. Alright. Go.
Can we ask?
Wala.
What? Mom, they're
Ah, here.
three on it too.
Okay.
Maybe three.
No. See? Sorry, Kuya.
Can you help me, Mom?
Snack. How many sweet corn did you get? Two?
Two. No, sorry.
Three? Okay, where's nasan si Lola? Ayun, doon. Yung ano, hakot siya. Oh. Yeah. All the food first, okay? Then late. Sa? Doon. Masarap. Yeah, that one. And then next, the detergent. Kasi sa grocery, alam niyo na pasunod-sunod. Okay. Yes, all the food. Ano, sige. Mama, sa mga pagkaon, yun, ugapa dyan sa ano, sa side. Yeah. Gusto niya yung gawin. Ha? All the biscuits. That one. Yeah, that's all foods. Everything is food. Ollie. There's corned beef there, Baba. Yeah, there's more. Ano oras ka ba? What? Okay, just wait. Let Ate do scan that first.
The toiletry and stuff. Stuff.
Yes.
I went like that.
Careful. Ipapabox natin.
They got Toblerones.
Yes, they do.
What's that?
That's heavy. Oh, it's not.
Will we put in the box? Can I try?
Oh, it's heavy. I think that's all the snacks.
Ano na kasi 23? Ba't ikaw?
Just wait. Just wait.
Sit up. Oh, what?
Tali. Tali. Thank you, Kuya. So, tapos na kayo mag-grocery. Dito naman kami pumasok ka. Lola Nena's. Special peach. Oh, may peachy-peachy din. Ang dami nilang mga kakanin, siopaw. Okay. Tapos ko yung isang taraba. Huwag na muna. Huwag mo na rin kasi akong
It
alok-alok.
tastes like yogurt.
Bye na kami. 11:01 na, guys.
I'm not trying. I don't. Thank you.
Ha? Wala nang tao. Tulog na siguro sila. Nag-take away kami na spaghetti.
Just me, guys.
Dapat may chicken, kaso naubusan sila. Siya lang. Kami, ito yung kakainin namin. Si Tess? Sa luwas? Ano siya? Meron tayong toasted siopaw and donut.
Was I supposed to?
Ito. Ha? Ito lang? Ang parang kunyang
I want to play.
hamonado.